All right, guys, this is a Camaro SS 2012. This is with just a rear muffler delete and a regular resonator, factory resonator. This is what it sounds like. Go ahead. There's sound decibels on it. Right at 100. So we're going to take the resonator out, and we're going to take the middle resonator out and put FLOWMASTER Super 10. Dual in, dual out in this place. We'll let you guys hear it after. So we'll let you guys hear it before with the resonator on it. So it's a 2012 Chevy Camaro SS. What we did on it, factory converters, there. Then we put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 right there. As you guys can see, we've specially fabricated it. Part number 8425154. There'll be a link in the description. Right there. FLOWMASTER Super 10. Then we welded the valves open. Right there. Because they rattle if you don't. Then we did a rear muffler delete earlier. There and there. And put some 5-inch stainless steel tips. Right there. There's the massive resonator that comes on these that we just cut off right there. You guys can see. So look at it. Much better. Oh yeah. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 105, 106. Go on and back it up. Nice idle code too. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear all that stuff. Camaro resonator, FLOWMASTER Super 10 in its place, rear muffler.